Close-up. Page 6 Unit 1 Family Ties. Reading. Meet the ancestors. Mum, mummy, mother. Dad, daddy, father. Son.
Daughter.
Gran, granny, grandma, grandmother. Granddad, grandpa, grandfather. Great-grandmother. Great-grandfather.
Uncle.
Aunt. Cousin. Nephew. Niece. Stepmother, father, brother, sister. Mother, father, brother, sister-in-law.
Word focus.
Gene. Generation. Ancestors. Genealogy.
Genealogy. Meet the ancestors. What makes you who you are? Part of the answer is in your family's past. Become a detective and find clues to your family history.
When you look in the mirror, do you see your father's smile? Maybe you take after your mother or look like a grandparent. That's because of DNA. Our DNA contains genes that make each person in the world different. No two people look, think or act the same. We pass down our genes through generations. Scientists can test your DNA to find out which part of the world your ancestors were from.
Your family's history may be a mystery to you, but there's a way to find out about it. It's called genealogy, and it's the study of the people you are related to. Genealogy helps you put together your family history. It starts with the relatives you know, such as parents and grandparents, and then you can learn about ancestors who lived and died before you were born. It isn't difficult to learn about your past. You can begin by asking your relatives questions about your ancestors. While you are talking with family members, take notes. This helps you organize any information you get. Make sure you write down any names, dates or places people mention. Then you can draw a family tree with your name at the top. Then you would add all the relatives from you to your great-grandparents so you can see how everyone is related. If there are any blank boxes in your tree, it's time for some detective work. Many people begin at a library where they can look for family names in old newspapers. Public records are usually a very good thing to look at too. They have information about births, marriages and death certificates too. Some records show when people moved to a country. Sometimes, records tell you where people went to school and what their job was. You can also search the internet. With every bit of research you do, you are discovering your family's history.